News and current events are important in world history. These are the things that happened most recently, and it will go down as part of the history in the future. So, if you will think about it, history are the things that happened in the past, and news and current events are the things that are happening in the present. But the things that are happening today will be history in the future. Does that make sense? So, for example, if the United States successfully discovered life form in Mars, then what happened today, August 17, 2020, will go down in history as the day when the United States discovered life form in Mars. So probably if we will colonize Mars, then in the future they will remember that this is the day that happened in history when the United States finally, for the first time, discovered that it's possible to live in Mars. So it is current events today, news today, and it will be history in the future. That's why, as your world history teacher, I want you to be aware about the things that are happening today. I want you to be aware of this, what we call history in the making. So every day, there is a history in the making. If you will just watch the news and current events, you will see that there are always new discoveries, there are always problems too, and things that are happening, and this will go down in the future as history. Remember, history is not just about the past, it is about the present, and for sure it's about the future. So that is the reason why I want you to be informed with the latest and what's happening in our world on a daily or at least weekly basis. There are two parts in this assignment in order for you to complete it. The first part is obviously you need to watch the news. And the news that I've selected I think is appropriate for your age, your grade level for this year. So you will watch the news, and the second part is you will need to complete a Google form and turn it in before the period ends so that you will get credit for that. This is Teen Kids News. So you will watch this every Monday or first day of the week. And then as you watch this, I want you to pick up news and information that you will need in your Google form. The Google form for this assignment looks like this. The title is News of the Week, and then there's a date from what day to what day as far as the coverage is concerned. In our example here, it's from August 14 to 21. Always be sure that you are doing the right date, just in case you miss one current events or news of the week. Be sure that you are doing the most recent. Read the directions, fill up information like name, date, period, then watch the news. Then the news link will be attached in this Google form as well as in our Google Classroom. You will fill up this basic information from the top, last name and then first name, date, and then the class period. Now let's go to the questions that you need to answer or the task that you need to do. Number 1, write at least 3 items included in the news of the week. Put number on each news items. Say for example, in the news that you watched. 1, they reported about the start of the school this year. 2, about the number of cases related to COVID-19. 3, Apple released its latest iPhone. 4, NFL canceled. And 5, NBA starts its season this month. So I mentioned 5 news titles, right? So all you have to do is just choose 3 of those 5 news titles that I mentioned or that was mentioned in the news, for example. Most likely there are 5 or more news items in the news that you'll watch every week. All you have to do is just choose 3 news titles in that video. Then, number 2, out of those 3 news items that you enumerated or listed, which one is the most interesting? That's easy. All you have to do is just, cite the news item that you find most interesting and maybe a sentence why you think it's interesting. So there is no wrong answer for this one. So don't be afraid to explain the reason why you find that news item interesting. Then answer the question, what happened? So you will just describe or summarize what happened in the news. That is the news item that you selected. And then, when did it happen? All you have to do is mention when did it happen. If it's not clear, then answer where did it happen. Just put the date you watched the news if you're not sure when did the news happen and where did it happen. That's self-explanatory. Who was involved? If it's an invention, for example, who invented what? Now for number 7, you will need to explain why do you think the news that you selected is important. You will write 3 to 5 sentences at least. And for number 8, you will ask a question about the news that you've selected. The reason why I want you to do this is I want you to think about the news that you've selected. So there is a guide here. It's called Costa's Levels of Thinking and Questioning. There are 3 levels here to guide you to start your sentence. So you will be guided when you construct the sentence that you want to ask about the news that you've selected. So this is the Google form that you need to complete every first day of the week. First thing, you need to watch the news. And then the second part is you need to complete this Google form and then turn it in before the period ends. Now, if you are confused with what to do in which part, you just have to watch the video again, which part you're confused. And if you still need some further clarification, you can ask me through Zoom or I will address it when I call you through Blocksy.